Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is not a typical vlog video that I do on my channel. It's something different and I have researched a lot about this topic. So today's video is all about top 10 places to visit this winter in India. And if you're new to my channel, I'm Kirti and I upload videos every Monday and Friday. So you should subscribe to my channel right now. And let's begin. So the first place on my list is Oli, which is a ski destination in Uttarakhand. And if you're a person who loves mountains and snow, then you should definitely head to Oli this winter. The snow-clad peaks of the Nilkant and Nanda Devi will give you an awe-inspiring panoramic view of the hills. If you think skiing is your thing, then you should definitely attend the National Championship of Skiing held in Oli in January. The second place on my list is Leh, Ladakh. Ladakh is a region in the Indian state of Jammu and Kashmir, and Leh is the largest town in Ladakh. The crystal blue eyes and the hills in the backdrop will amaze you. Leh is known for its Chadar trek, the only frozen trek in India. There are other amazing treks too, and if it's too daring of an adventure for you, worry not, you can just relax and unwind in the God's paradise. So the third place on my list is Srinagar. Srinagar is the largest city and the summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir. I still remember that song from the movie Mission Kashmir, which featured Hrithik and Preeti in a shikara, which was like सोचो के झीलों का शहर हो. And from then onwards, like, that place has been on my bucket list. And it is one of the most romantic destinations in India. You can also explore Gulmarg, which is about 56 kilometers from Srinagar. And if you are planning to go there in the month of January, don't miss out on the Gulmarg Snow Festival. The fourth place on my list is Small Vagata, Goa. Goa is a state in West India within the coastal region of the Konkan, and it is famous for its parties. And it is also known as the Las Vegas of India. This place has everything to offer what you expect for an amazing New Year. The fifth place on my list is Rann of Kutch, Gujarat. The Rann of Kutch is a seasonal salt marsh located in the Thar Desert in the Kutch district of Gujarat. This is the best time to explore the desert, to see the salt turn blue in the moonlit sky. You can also stay at a tent in the outskirts of Dhordo village, which is an enchanting experience. Also, the Kutch festival is going on right now, which is the only festival which extends for 2 long months. It's called the Rann Utsav and it will continue till 20th February. So the sixth place on my list is Udaipur. Known as the city of lakes, Udaipur is amongst the perfect places for a winter vacation. The best part of Udaipur is that it is located at the base of the Aravalli Hills. And if you are an art lover, then plan your trip around the Shilpgram Arts and Crafts Festival to explore some traditional craft, and you can learn some crafting skills too. So the seventh place on my list is Dauki. Dauki is a town in the West Jaintia Hills district, Meghalaya. The place becomes heavenly in December, and the water of the Angkor River is so clear that if a boat is floating on it, it seems like it's in mid-air and flying. You can also entertain yourself at some amazing festivals which are organized here in December. Okay, so the eighth place on my list is Dalhousie, Himachal Pradesh. The town of Dalhousie looks magnificent in winters with the snowflake-covered deodar forest. The view of the snow-capped mountains is absolutely stunning. And if you are visiting Dalhousie, then you can also head to Khajia, which is about 24 kilometers away from Dalhousie, and it is known as the mini Switzerland of India. So the ninth place on my list is Mylapore, which is in Chennai. I know Chennai is quite hotter in summer months, so it's the perfect time to go there right now. Mylapore is a cultural hub and neighborhood in the southern part of the city of Chennai. You can sip some coconut water and stroll along the longest beach of India. Also, if you're traveling to Chennai around this time, and if you love music, then you can also check out the Madras Music Festival and the 89th Annual Conferences and Concert, which is running from 15th December to 1st January. So the final place on my list is Kasol. Kasol is a village in Himachal Pradesh. It is situated in Parvati Valley on the banks of the Parvati River. Kasol is a famous destination among tourists and Indians also. You can have some amazing time here. You can do the famous Kheer Ganga trek, you can camp, you can also go to the nearby village of Tosh. And that's a wrap, guys. I hope you enjoyed this list, and I think you should definitely take a vacation this winter to any of the following places or any other place you want to go to. That was all, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and like this video if you like this concept. I'm thinking of making a top 10 series, so every time the season changes, I will make a top 10 list of the places you should go to. In this way, you will also get to know about different places of India. I will also be visiting some of the places next year and maybe in December, so stay tuned for that. I'll be uploading travel vlogs in the coming months. And do let me know that what are the places you are planning to go to this winter and you want to add to this list, or maybe you traveled to somewhere last winter and you enjoyed your experience. Make sure to share that in the comments down below. You can also follow me on my social media. I'm quite regular on my Instagram, so you should follow me there. Make sure to subscribe to my channel by clicking to my face right there and watch my other videos right there. And I'll see you guys on Friday now with a vlog. Till then, take care. Bye.